We are not allowed to cough no more, okay? Do you understand? If your nose is running, stay at home. If your throat's tickling, stay at home.
Bag pimp, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah.
We gonna talk about coronavirus.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus! I'm telling you, it's real! It's getting real! Woo!
I don't know, I'm even scared of coughing. I'm scared of coughing now. I'm terrified of coughing. I was on the phone to my mom and my throat was dry. And I started coughing and I muted her. I was like... Corona's forced us into lockdown, shut down, everything lock off. Do you know what I mean? D-Lan cut off. What? Bro get lock off. What? My birthday got lock off. My birthday's this week. I was planning to just go to Nando's. I can't even do that. I'm gonna have to eat inside my house. But, you know, a good girl like me can cook something no matter. But the whole thing is, you gotta think about it logically. Like, okay, we're making jokes about day 1 quarantine, day 2, 3, 4, 5. But how long can we do this for? Because I don't see this quarantine lasting for long. Do you know what I mean? Like, let's be honest, you stay in your house, you feel torment. Do you know what I mean? Like, you don't know what to do with yourself. You're like, oh my days, like, I need to get out. Now, the problem that we're actually facing here with this
Coronavirus
is the fact that, like, no one wants to take it serious, let's be honest, because we had plans. We all had plans. Do you know what I mean? I'm meant to be graduating this summer. Graduation? Graduation? My graduation is now September, October. Dress? Who? Me? No. Tracks.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Exactly. So my plans is out of the window. Do you know what I mean? I was planning to lose weight even though I'm going away in November. That might not happen because apparently Corona is meant to be here all year. Like, Corona ain't got no manners. No manners in that. You came to ruin everything. You came to step on everyone's necks. And do you know what? Yeah, a lot of us is not having it. I want to not have it, but you know what? The death rate is going higher and higher. We need to take this serious. I'm seeing people posting, oh yeah, we're still linking up, we're still doing link ups. People are gonna have us sneaking out in bin bags, acting like we're the rubbish. Please, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Not a joke. It's not a joke. Okay? So you don't know. You cannot tell who has coronavirus. The symptoms are not showy symptoms. And I see Boris trying to do the lockdown thing and next thing me forget cut down our lock off for a little while. And it's people paying rent. A lot of people are self-employed, on low income, stuff like that. They need a break. If they're gonna have to use their money to buy food to stock up, they can't pay rent. Let's be honest. If my lock off everything, it need for lock off everything. But how are we gonna talk about coronavirus here and not talk about eating bats? Like, sorry, what? How? What is eating bats? What is that? What is that about? Like, let's be honest. If you tell me you gonna feed me bat, I'ma leave. Like, I'm gone. Me bat. Sorry, wrong smaddy.
Wrong smarty!
I'm not eat that. But thanks so much for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up and drop a comment. Tell me what you think about this coronavirus. Okay, love you guys. Bye.